Hello dear children, all you are welcome in today's maths class. So students, today we are going to do worksheet 4, time and calendar chapter we are doing. So worksheet 4 here is find the difference between. Question number 1 is given, find the difference between 4 hours and 30 minutes, 4 hours 30 minutes and 5 hours 50 minutes. So how to find students? First of all check which number is greater here, which time is bigger here, 5 hours 50 minutes or 4 hours 30 minutes. So as you all know that 5 hours 50 minutes is more than 4 hours 30 minutes. So in difference we have to write the bigger time first and then the smaller time. So students, 5 hours 50 minutes we will write first and then 4 hours 30 minutes we will write. Now we will subtract it. How to subtract now? Look here, we will start from the right side. We will start subtraction from the right side from here. So 0 minus 0 is 0 and 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 20 minutes we will write. Then 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So we will write 1 hour. 1 hour and 20 minutes. This is the answer. Let's do question number 2. Question number 1 B part. 9 hours 50 minutes, 7 hours 45 minutes. Now students, I have written 9 hours 50 minutes first in 7 hours 45 minutes in the under the 9 hours 50 minutes, because you can see in this question in B part 9 hours 50 minutes is more than 7 hours. So we have to write this first and then under this 7 hours 45 minutes. So now we will subtract it. So we will start subtraction from the right side. So 0 minus 5 we can't subtract. So we have to take borrow from here. So borrow we will take, then 4 left here and it become 10. It become 10 and 10 minus 5 is 5 and here 4 left. 4 minus 4 is 0. It means 0 5 minute. Now students, we will subtract this 7 from 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. So 2 hours 5 minutes. This is the answer. Now D part students, you can see in question 5 hours 45 minutes and 7 hours 20 minutes. So 7 hours 20 minutes is more than 5 hours 45 minutes. So we will write first 7 hours 20 minutes. Now students, in this question you can see this is a 20 minutes and this is a 45 minutes. So we can't subtract 45 minutes from 20 minutes. Okay, we have subtracted here in these questions because this 30 minutes is smaller than 50 minutes and this 45 is smaller than 50 minutes. But here 45 minutes is greater than 20 minutes. So we can't subtract 45 minutes from 20. So we will take borrow. Borrow we will take from here, but this is hours. If this hour come here, then it will convert in minute. So you all know that in 1 hour is equal to, in 1 hour there is a 60 minutes. So if you will take borrow from here, then it will convert here in minutes. So 1 hour, this 7 hours will give 1 hour borrow here. So 1 hour will convert in 60 minutes. So 60 minutes when here come, 60 minutes when comes here, then that 60 minutes and 20 is already here. 20 is already here. So that 60 we will plus in 20 and that become 80. 80 minutes. 80 minutes. Now students, we will subtract this 45 from 80, not in 20. Because 20 we have added in 60, because 1 hour we have taken borrow from here. So it becomes 60. 60 we will add, this 20 we have to add in 60 because this 20 is already here. So 60 plus 20 is 80. Now we will subtract this 45 from 80. So 0, we can't subtract 5 from 0. So take borrow from 8. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. And here 7 left. 7 minus 4. 3. So 35 minutes. This is very important. Try to understand it. Now students, here we have taken borrow, so 6 left here. 6 hours. 6 hour minus 5 hour is 1 hour. So the answer is 1 hour 35 minutes. So in this way, we have to understand this. If minuend is smaller than subtrahend, then what to do? So take borrow from here, but borrow will come, hours will convert in minutes, so it is 60. 60 plus 20 will be 80. Now we will subtract 45 from 80, not from 20. Okay, so 1 hour 35 minutes is the correct answer. Let's do next question. Now students, question number 2, you can see here, what time will it be? 2 hours before 3:30 am. We have to go back. 3:30, 2 hours before 3:30. So how to do this question, students? 2 hours before 3:30 means we will write first here 3 hour 30 minutes. 3 hour 30 minutes we will write, and because we have to go back 2 hours, so we will subtract this 2 hours from 3 hours 30 minutes. So 2 hours we will subtract, we can write here 0 0 in the place of minute. So it is, subtract this 0 0 from 30, so it is 30. 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is 1 hour 30 minutes. So before 2 hours before, the time is 1 hour 30 minutes. This is the correct answer. Come to B part. B part is 4 hours before 7 hour 10 minutes. So students, 7 hour 10 minutes we will write first, and then 4 hours before we have to check, so we will subtract 4 hour from 7 hour 10 minutes. In the place of minutes we can write 0 0. Okay, so 10 minus 0 0 is 10, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So it means the time is before 7:10 is 3 hour 10 minutes. Now let's do this question. This question is 2 hours before 11 hour 5 minutes. So students, 11 hour 5 minutes we will write first, and 2 hours we will subtract. So we will write 2 hours under hour, and in the place of minute we can write 0 0. Now we will subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5, and then 0, and 11 minus 2, 11 minus 2 is 9. So it means the time is 9 hour 5 minutes. This is the answer. One part left of this question. Try to do that part yourself. Then if any objection or if any question, then we will discuss in our online class. Till then, have a nice day.